Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech Dablu. Today I'm going to show you how to disable and enable new or old interface of Acrobat. So if you want to disable new interface or new layout of Acrobat, click on these three horizontal lines at top and left corner in the application. A menu bar will appear and you can see the option disable new Acrobat. Click on it. It will ask you to restart the application. Click on restart. It will automatically launch the application and you will be in the old interface of Acrobat. All right. Likewise, if you want to go back to the new interface, click on View tab from the top hand menu bar and click on New, Enable New Acrobat Reader. Again, it will ask you to restart the application. It will automatically launch the application and you will be in the new interface of Acrobat. So that's how you disable and enable. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.